In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy and paste values without formula in Excel. This is a simple technique that helps you keep the results of calculations without carrying over the formulas themselves. It is especially useful when you want to share a sheet, paste data into another workbook, or avoid accidental changes caused by formula references. First, you need to identify the cells that contain formulas. In this example, the formulas are located in the range A2 through A6. Take a moment to look at your worksheet and confirm that those cells are the ones producing the values you want to keep. The goal is not to copy the formulas, but to copy the resulting numbers exactly as they appear on your screen. Now select the cells containing formulas from A2 to A6. You can click and drag over that range, or click the first cell and use your keyboard and mouse together to highlight the rest. As you do this, make sure the correct cells are highlighted. This step matters because only the selected range will be copied. Once the range is selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy those cells. You will not see anything dramatic happen, but the selection is now stored in the clipboard. If you want to double-check, you can briefly notice the copied state in Excel, though it is usually subtle. The key point is that you are copying what Excel currently shows, but the paste step will determine whether you paste formulas or values. Next, you will choose where to paste the values. Click your target cell, which is B2, where you want the values to appear. This is the cell that will receive the results. Make sure you are placing the paste in the correct destination, because pasting will overwrite or fill in cells based on your selection. This opens the context menu, which includes several paste options. Take a moment here and keep your cursor over the options, because Excel makes it easy to choose exactly what type of paste you want. In the Paste menu, look for the Paste Options icon that shows the number 123. This icon represents pasting values only. When you see that 123 option, choose it. This tells Excel to take the displayed results from the copied formulas and paste only those results as plain values. Now observe what happens in cell B2, and depending on the size of the copied range, the cells that follow. You should see numbers appear exactly as calculated, but they will not behave like formulas. That means they will not reference the original formula cells in column A. This is important if you want a clean set of outputs that stays stable even if the original data changes. To reinforce what you have done, you can click one of the pasted cells in column B. Look at the formula bar at the top of Excel. If values were pasted correctly, you should not see a formula expression there. Instead, you should see the number value itself. That confirms that Excel pasted values without bringing over the formula logic. You have now successfully copied and pasted values without formula from A2 through A6 into B2 using the 123 values paste option. This approach is one of the fastest and most reliable ways to keep calculated results while preventing unwanted formula changes. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.